In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the GoDaddy browser is a bit unusual error. If you've seen this message while logging in, don't worry, it's usually easy to resolve. First, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Stored data can sometimes interfere with GoDaddy, so removing it often fixes the issue. After clearing, try accessing GoDaddy again. Next, check your browser extensions. Ad blockers, anti-bias extensions, and antivirus extensions can cause conflicts. Disable them one by one and refresh GoDaddy to see if the problem is resolved. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off temporarily. VPNs can sometimes trigger unusual browser messages. Make sure JavaScript is enabled in your browser settings, as GoDaddy requires it to function correctly. If the problem persists, try a different browser or open GoDaddy in private or incognito mode. These steps often bypass any cached data or browser-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the error and log into your GoDaddy account smoothly.